Hey lovelies, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be installing these crochet Yankee Twists from Young Thur on Amazon. And it's very quick and easy to do and simple as well, so just about anyone can get this done. So I am installing one Yankee Twist at the front, and then sometimes I go up to two after the first one or just do another one. But after the third, I normally bump it up a bit and start to install like 3 and sometimes 4 or even 5, because you know they're very tiny and they'll take a lot of your time if you should install one by one. And to me, the entire point of doing crochet styles is to really cut back on time, because if you do these things from scratch, they are very time consuming. I am using one pack of the Yankee Twist, and the one pack contains up to 6 bundles, and that's enough to do your entire head. The hair color is 1B and the twists are 12 inches long. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share this video with someone that may find it useful. Bye!